What's up, Nerd Army? It's time once again for another movie trailer reaction. This time, you got Mr. Blue Steel himself, Derek Zoolander. So it's Zoolander 2, guys. Oh my god, I'm super excited for this. I love the first Zoolander. It was fucking hilarious. I love Owen Wilson, and I love Ben Stiller. I love that movie. A lot of people think it's stupid, man. I thought it was funny as hell. How do I get the files out of the computer? Oh no, that fucking shit was great. Oh my god, there were so many awesome people in that movie. Freaking Will Ferrell. Damn, man. I'm really excited for this one, guys. So let's get into the trailer. I've got it queued up. Let's check it out. Here we go.
In the beginning, there was nothing. An infinite void. Then, in an instant, everything known to man came into being. The Big Bang, the birth of time itself, chaos and beauty. A beauty that created infinite galaxies. Galaxies that would one day create the unimaginable. Life, but even more incredible. The human brain. The pinnacle of billions of years of evolution.
Not what I was
The
expecting.
brain that possesses the power of reason and the ability to ponder life's most ancient riddles. Why are we here? Is there intelligent life beyond our galaxy? Or the one question that has puzzled mankind since the beginning of time.
If God exists, then why did he make ugly people? 200-lander?
No, Derek, Two-lander. It's like a pun.
But I don't spell my name with a 2.
Fine, how about
Zoolander II?
no, Zoolander 2, but with Roman numerals.
But I'm not Italian.
Jesus, you are so freaking stupid. It's insane.
Oh man, guys, oh shit, that was awesome. That was a great trailer, guys. Now, I knew it was something to do with Derek's brain as soon as I saw fucking mermen swimming around, and I saw the monkey. I was like, oh shit, it's Derek's brain, and that's how small it was compared to the big old eyes. Holy shit, that was funny, guys. I know it's just a short little teaser trailer, but I'm super excited for this, guys. Damn, I thought that was great. He's all, but I don't spell my name with a 2. So, no, it's a pun. He's all... I love the part. He's all, it's Zoolander with Roman numerals. Roman numerals. That shit was great, guys. Let me know what you guys thought about that trailer and my reaction to that trailer down in the comment section down below, guys. Make sure you guys hit that thumbs up button if you would be so kind, and make sure you smash that subscribe button to keep up with me and all the reactions I do every single day, guys. I'm Andrew. You have been watching Nerds Merized. Peace out.